Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Zilong from the Gangsa-Mo Remote Sensing Group, McMaster University. Let's imagine a typical summer. Bright days, casual bike rides, the fun of swimming, and evening with friends over a barbecue. Now, imagine a completely different scene. Feeling afraid to even step outside, and worried about the air you breathe. Today, I'm going to shed light on the severe impact of 2023 wildfires and to share how my research helps in accurately measuring burn areas and the significant loss of biomass in Canadian forests. Let's revisit the June of last year. On June 28, Toronto endured the world's poorest air quality for several hours as the wildfire covered the city. And here is a video, and this video is a reminder of the degradation of air quality. And you might remember the smell of burning in the air during that time. So, why does detecting burn areas matter? First, knowing exactly where the burn areas are help us directing firefighters and resources to the right place. Second, based on this data, we can better understand the damage to the wildlife, ecosystems, and nature. Third, this information guides us to planting trees and fixing the damaged biosystem. Last, having reliable data helps governments make better decisions. However, as you can see in this satellite image, detecting burn area presents a significant challenge due to the presence of clouds and smoke, as well as extensive data volumes. Therefore, we need powerful platforms and advanced tools to address this task. Now let's delve into the first section of my work, Google Earth Engine, or Earth Engine for short. Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform that streamlines the visualization of satellite imagery and analysis through algorithms for multiple Earth observation applications, including burn area detection. So why we turn to Earth Engine? It's because it grants us easy access to satellite imagery like Landsat 8 and Sentinel-2. What's more, it takes care of the essential pre-processing steps such as stitching, mosaicing, and code registration. Now, let's move on to the second fundamental section of my research, which is machine learning. So you may wonder what is machine learning? Think of it as a way to making lots of small decisions quickly. For example, deciding whether an email is a spam or not is a classification task in machine learning. Or figuring out how much to bid for something in the auction is a regression task. When it comes to the task of detecting burn areas, we're dealing with classification because it's all about deciding whether a specific area is burned or not. Now the question is why we need machine learning. The reason is that machine learning can learn models from data. and then the data can be utilized for making prediction. And secondly, machine learning, especially artificial intelligence, possesses the capability to manage big geoscientific data much more effectively than humans. So this slide shows the analysis and modeling that we run on Earth Engine. It's quite the complex process, but it's where the magic happens. And the result we get is a burn map. We then take the burn map and overlay it on the biomass map. This process allows us to estimate biomass loss in Canadian forests. So this image showcases our burn detection results for the 2023 wildfires. Can you guess how many million hectares were burned in Canada last year? To put it into perspective, 1 hectare is roughly the size of 1.5 soccer fields. The number is staggering. 19.48 million hectares, which is roughly the size of roughly 4/5 the size of entire United Kingdom. So what an immense scale that is. And the region most severely impacted by the wildfire is Quebec province, followed by Northwest Territories and Saskatchewan province. So this is a above-ground biomass map carefully generated by my lab colleagues. And it spans across all forests in Canada. Next, let's overlay the burn areas on this biomass map. Using a known loss ratio, we find that Canadian forests have lost about 2,830 megatons of biomass. It's a clear indicator of the significant impact of these fires. So in conclusion, the 2023 wildfires marked a substantial challenge, evidenced by the extensive burn areas and significant biomass loss. And we need powerful platforms like Earth Engine and advanced tools in machine learning and artificial intelligence. These are crucial for improving how we understand and tackle environmental disasters, thus helping us better protect our planet. Thank you.